Hey everybody, welcome to Tarry, Homestead. Sister Marcel here. So, I was thinking of some fertilizer, some really good fertilizer for the garden, and I forgot that we have bats. Yes, we do. We planned on getting rid of them, but then I said, no, let's keep them because they keep, that's my top balcony up there. They keep the mosquitoes away from up there when we're up there. So I figured I'll collect their poop. So there is their guano right there in the corner. And they are, you see, let me see, put this. I got my shovel and a bucket because I'm gonna make some guano tea. So right up in there is where they are nesting at. And they kind of go in there on that side too. It gotta be where this is their bathroom area because it goes straight down here. So I'm going to collect their guano and I'm gonna mix it with some water to make a guano tea. That's where they poop at, and they are right in that area up there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just scoop some of this guano up, get as much as I can. Doing it with one hand. It's a little hard. It's pretty deep too. As you can see, there's some fresh poop in there. It's hitting there as it drops down. So, look how thick it is. Got quite a bit in there. I think I'm gonna leave that right there and maybe get some more tomorrow. So, thank you, Batty Bats. Thank you for keeping the mosquitoes away. So now I'm gonna go fill this up with water. It's already dry. There is some fresh. I might let it sit for a minute because there is some fresh poop that we got from on the top. So I might let this sit out in the sun for a while and then add the water to it. There you go. Fresh back guano. All right, you guys.